Dear friends, we will continue with continuous series. Problems up to now 7 problems are over. Now we will start the 8th problem. 8th problem. Mid values of various class intervals of various class intervals pertaining to turnover of companies and number of such companies are presented below. Turnover in rupees, then number of companies. $250, 50, 350, 35, 450, 25, 550, 30, 650, 20. So these are the values given. Convert the above data into a continuous series. This is the data given in the problem. Up to now we have seen, we have constructed class and class intervals, but now mid values are given. Mid values, you know, in the introductory class I have mentioned mid value refers to upper limit plus lower limit by 2 of a class will give us mid values. Now from mid values we have to find out classes, and how to find we will do in this problem. Solution. Mid values can be converted into class intervals using the following formula. That is ordinary class interval is equal to m plus or minus, you read it as plus or minus m plus or minus I by 2. M plus or minus I by 2. Here, what we have to understand is m is equal to midpoint or mid value. Then I is equal to class interval of the mid values. Okay. Then what it happens is I small letter we use. Then lower limit of class is equal to, that is lower limit, I mentioned lower limit will be called as L1 is equal to m minus I by 2. Upper limit of class, that is L2 is equal to m plus I by 2. So what does it mean? We will see. Okay. Now first column is mid values. Second one, technique of conversion you take. Technique of conversion. Last one is number of companies. Like this. So mid values first of all 250, 350, 450, 550, 650. In technique of conversion. Here you try to understand properly. So L1 is equal to 250 minus the difference between two midpoints, that is 250, 350, difference is 100. So 100 by 2. So it will give you 250 minus 100 by 2 is equal to 50. So it will be 200. So 200 is our lower class limit. And L2 L2 is equal to, so L2 is equal to 250 plus 100 by 2, that is equal to 250 plus 50, that is equal to 300. So we will insert another column. Here we can write, we can take it as class. So now this class will be 200 to 300. Now for this, see, in case of L1, it is lower class limit. You have to find 350 minus 100 by 2. That is 350 minus 50, it will become. So it will be 300. Now it is L2 is equal to 350 plus 100 by 2. That is 350 plus 50. That will be 400. So the class will be 300 to 400. See, L1 for this one is midpoint minus the difference between two mid values, consecutive mid values, that is 100 by 2. Like this, you can arrive at the original class. For this, in place of 350, you take 450. Here also, it will be 450. Now 450 minus 50, 450 plus 50. So that will be 500, and here it will be 400. So class is 400 to 500. Similarly, here it is 550. It is also 550. So 550 minus 50, 550 plus 50. So it will be 600 here. It will be 500 here. So class is 500 to 600. So here in this case it is 650. Midpoint is 650. Here also I will change it as 650. 650. 650 minus 50 will be 600. 650 plus 50 will be 700. So class will be 600 to 700. In this way, we have to convert. So number of companies 50, 35, 25, then 30, and lastly it is 20. As it is, so from mid values, we are able to construct classes in this way. The formula is m plus or minus I by 2. I means a class interval here. Interval means the difference between consecutive mid values, consecutive midpoints. Any two consecutive midpoints values you can take. 450, 550, the difference is 100. 350, 450, the difference is 100. 250, 350, the difference is 100. 650, 550, the difference is 100. So like this, you can calculate, you can understand. Okay. Then another problem we will do. So 8 problems are over. We will start with 9th problem. Arrange the following data in a frequency table by more than method. More than method is there, less than method is there. We will come to know about them. How to arrange them, we will see. Class and frequency. Class and frequency. Class is 16 to 24, 24 to 32, 32 to 40, 40 to 48, 48 to 56, 56 to 64, 64 to 72. Frequency is 16, 24, 27, 36, 38, 32, 27. So in this way, data is given, question is given. Now how to do it? We will see the solution. Solution will be like this. First draw a table. Class interval. Class interval and frequency. See, class started with 16. Its class is 16. Lower limit is 16. So you have to start with more than 16. First class is more than 16. Second class interval will be more than 24. Third class will be more than 32. Then fourth class will be more than 40. Fifth class is more than 48. All lower limits values I am taking consecutively. Next 56. The last class is from 64 to 72. So 64 I am taking. Then how you can arrive at this one? See, first of all, as it is, last value you take as it is. So last value is 27. Frequency is 27. You take it as it is. Next 27 plus 32 you take. So this is as it is, you take it as 27. Next one 27. In 56 to 64 you can see 32 are there. So this 27 plus 32 we have to consider. So 27 plus 32, it will be 59. Then next one, this 59 plus 38 are there. In next class 48 to 56, 38 are there. So 59 plus 48 to 56, 38 is the frequency. 59 plus 38 will be 97. So next class 97 plus 40 to 48, more than 40, 36 is there. So that one 97 plus 36 will be 133. Then next one, this 133 plus 32, more than 32, 27 is there. So 133 plus 27 is 160. Then next 160 plus 24 value is there, 24. 160 plus 24 is 184. Then next one 184 plus last one is 16. So 200 will be there. So like this you have to arrange more than table. More with the help of more than table also you can arrange frequency distribution table. I hope you understood. In this way, with the help of classes, you can arrange more than frequency table. Okay. So up to now 9 problems have been completed. We will do another problem, 10th one. From the following frequency table, prepare cumulative frequency table according to less than method and more than method. Two methods have been more than method and less than method. Both are being asked. How to do, we will see. Problem. Marks number of students. 2 columns are given. Marks number of students. Marks 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Number of students 4, 12, 24, 36, 20, 1, 8, 5. This is the problem that has been given. Data regarding students' marks is given. Number of students, marks, they have obtained certain marks in an examination. That data has been given, and we have to convert them into less than and more than tables. Now how it will be converted, we will see with the help of this table. So first one we will start with. In first method we will understand less than method, that is asked in unit 1. Less than method. Now how less than method. Now firstly, less than 10, but less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, less than 70, less than 80, like this. See, maximum upper limit is 80, so less than 80 will be the final one. Now here what you have to do is, in less than frequency, if you want to find less than method, right from top you have to go on adding. Starting one is number 4 is there, you take 4, next one will come. So here also frequency will be 4. Next in the problem, in the next class we have 12 is there, 4 plus 12, 16 will be there. The next one 16 plus 24 is there. (16 plus 24 will be 40). Then 40 plus next class is after 24 we have 36. So 40 plus 36 will be 76. Then 76 plus after 36 next class number of students is equal to 20. 76 plus 20 is 96. Then 96 plus Next, after 20, number of students is 1. So 96 plus 1 is equal to 97. Next one, 97 plus, after 1, you have 8, 105. So in next class, 105 2. Last one is after 8, you have 5. So 105 plus 5 will give us 110. So in this method, we will arrange like this. Less than method, from top, from lowest class to highest class, we will go on adding frequencies. Okay, this is less than method. Now, secondly, they have asked more than method. So more than method also. In the previous problem we have seen. Again, do it. Okay. Second method. They asked us more than method. So how we have to convert is more than 10, like this. So this more, and just copy. So now here, what you have to do is more than method. From down, you are going to go on adding. So first one is 5. You take as it is. From the highest class, you will go on adding. So 5 is there. At the end, you keep as it is. Next class, 5 plus. Next one is 8 is there. 5 plus 8, 13. Next one, 13 plus 1 is there. So here in this table, I am able to see clearly. So I will go on 14. So next one, 14 plus 20 is there, 20. So it is 34. 34 plus 36. Next one, 70. Then 70 plus 24 is there, 94. Then 94 plus 12 is there, 106. Then 106 plus 4 is there, 110. So like this, less than means from lowest class to highest class, you will go on adding the frequencies. More than means from the topmost highest class to the lowest class, you will go on adding frequencies. So that is the difference. I hope you understood well. So in this lesson, we have seen more than method, less than method, and if mid values are given, how classes are formed. That also we have seen. So thank you, dear friends.